A Bird and a Frog Story. Once upon a time, a bird and a frog lived in the forest. One day, they both met near the pond. Both were arguing who is better. The bird said, "I have an ability to fly high in the sky." Then Frog said, "I have an ability to hop and swim fastly in the pond." So they decided to have a race. The bird soared through the air. The frog hopped and swam through the water. It was a close race, but in the end, they both realized that each had their own unique strengths. They appreciate and respect each other and became good friends. Moral: diversity and cooperation are strengths in themselves. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.